Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, you should hit that subscribe button and stick around. So I just graduated college and I'm moved home to Charlotte, living with my mom for a couple months until my boyfriend and I move out kind of near August. But this vlog, it's kind of gonna be apartment shopping plus literally apartment shopping because we're gonna go tour 3 apartments. You guys are gonna guess below which one we chose, and then when we move in, you guys will figure out which one it was. So it's gonna be really fun. We're also gonna be bargain shopping, starting to go to Home Goods. Also, my plan is to kind of look at expensive places, find things I like, and then find the knockoff versions for them. More videos of that will be to come, but we're just gonna kind of do a bunch this weekend. Today's actually Thursday. We're going to tour the apartments on Saturday. Tomorrow we're kind of going home decor shopping. My mom's coming because like why wouldn't she come? She loves home decor shopping. Tonight my dad, me, Colin, and his girlfriend, not Colin's girlfriend, my dad's girlfriend Tara, we're going to a concert. I wanted just to keep it really simple, so I'm wearing this bodysuit from Princess Polly, belt from Princess Polly, Levi 501 skinny jeans, and these sandals. It's just like super basic. I just wasn't in the mood to get dressed today for some reason. Colin's on the way home right now. He finished up his last exam, and the reason I'm starting this vlog today is because my mom and I just made 2 HelloFresh meals. So I think we're just gonna order HelloFresh all summer. My mom orders HelloFresh too, guys. Like, we love it. One of us made a 1-pan tropical chicken tacos, and then the other one of us chicken pineapple quesadillas, and we're gonna plate it. And then Colin doesn't even know who made who, so we're gonna do like a little competition between me and my mom to see who has the best presentation for their food. Sound good?
Yeah.
Do you wanna be in it?
I'm game.
She's game. She's also dirty because she hasn't showered yet from the gym.
We're on workout today. I stink. Okay.
Operation plate the food.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay, she stepped on my foot, didn't hurt. All right. Plating the food. Fun vlog. Stick around, subscribe. So quickly before Colin gets here, you guys know I work from my computer all the time. I've been apartment shopping, hunting, shopping, looking, buying, window shopping from my computer literally all the time. You guys know I care a lot about my eyesight and making sure that I'm protecting it. So I love blue light glasses, and I also wear glasses, and I'm blind as that, but it's okay. I'm in front of my computer all the time, and I try my best to protect my eyes. That's why I wanted to share iBuyDirect with you. So thank you so much, iBuyDirect, for sponsoring today's video. They've sent me some glasses to try out for you guys. I've been wearing glasses since high school, so I've been wearing them for a while. So iBuyDirect can cover all of your eyewear needs. They have sunglasses, prescription glasses, blue light protection frames, fashion eyewear, everything you can think of, iBuyDirect has. And they also have stylish glasses like these with over 1,000 frames to choose from for men, women, and children, so that's pretty cool. Something else that I like, because I have a very round face, so not all glasses look good on me, so you can buy them in different sizes, and they also have a virtual try-on, so you can upload a picture of your face and virtually try on their glasses so you know what frames and shapes would fit you the best. So I wanted to share with you guys the eyeglass styles that I got. So this one is the Jasmine. It's white, it's in the cat eye shape. Here, let me get it an up-close view. So they're cat eye white glasses. You guys see they have the blue light, just looks like this. I'll have the links to every single frame that I show you down below, but these just look like that. They're really cute. I like the gold on the sides. And these frames are $35. So very affordable, which is what we like. So next pair I got is the Decadent. So just looks like this, again with the gold. I love gold, guys. I seriously do. And these are black, which black is one of my favorite colors, if you didn't know. These are called the Square Black glasses, and these are $30. So I just got those. Again, links down below. I feel like the bigger shape also complements my face, but they have a ton of different styles. Like, I'll show you these. Okay, I think these are called the Nantes, but they are aviator glasses, again, with the clear, super cute. I actually really like aviator sunglasses, so when I saw that they had like glasses version, I was very into it. I wanted to try them out a lot. They're just your typical black aviator glasses, very cute. And then the last pair I got, these are called the St. Michael, so kind of same frame shape. I feel like I like this shape the best. That's probably why I got a lot that look like this frame shape, but these are gold. So again, they have a bunch of different frame styles, everything like that. These are $32. So again, all these will be linked down below in the description box. These back on. So my code Bianca20 gives you guys 20% off of your purchase. So if you want, I know blue light glasses are trending right now, but honestly for all good reasons, because it really does protect your eyes. So I love some good, nice, healthy trends. So if you guys are interested, again, link down below. Thank you so much, iBuyDirect, for sponsoring today's video, protecting my eyeballs. Colin's almost here, so I'm gonna get back to cooking I made the quesadillas. This is what my final plate action looks like. Oh yeah, I made that, guys. It's about to turn in. She's scrambling. Do you feel like you're on a food show?
I feel like somebody's going to 45, 44.
Okay, well, 43. You actually, he's in the parking lot. Hurry up. He's so,
what do I have, one left?
at least I'm nicer than that one cooking show guy. Okay, presentation wise, I guess this was an unfair advantage because I had more to work with the pico de gallo and the sour cream. I still think that knowing Colin, he's gonna think that when we both decided what to make, he would think that I chose to make the tacos because it would be easier than making the quesadillas, but it was actually roles reversed. I didn't do that on purpose either. I chose to make the quesadillas. What? She goes, I just put some lemons to lemons. Oh
it
God.
It doesn't really even look all good. It's like the workers were coming through the door and you should have seen that.
Game.
I need food.
So my mom and I, hold on. So my mom and I, one of us cooked one thing and one of us cooked the other thing. So first, you have to decide which the presentation looks better, and then you have to guess who cooked what. Okay? Okay.
We will not be offended. We don't care. Like, we just want to eat.
That's bullshit. So I'm having to decide who made what.
No,
first of all,
presentation.
Which presentation looks better?
I'm gonna have to go with this.
Okay.
Simply because it's got the extra stuff.
Okay.
Okay.
Good explanation.
Now, who made what?
Who made what?
I'm gonna go with Bianca made these.
Why?
It looks neater.
Oh. And my mom made that one.
That's what I'm guessing right now.
I actually made that. Psych! Okay.
Alright,
Fun game. Fun game. I thought you were gonna say I made those because tacos are easier to make than quesadillas.
I should have said that. Bianca's quesadilla is so good.
Next day, best day. We are venturing out to home decor shop at Home Goods, but there's also Target right in front of us, so we might do a little bit of both if we have time. And we're not, we might, me. What? Did you bring your wallet?
Yeah, why?
Okay, because you have my debit card.
Oh, yeah, I have your wallet.
Okay, well, let's see what we find. $15. Look at how cute this is. We're at Home Goods. Turn it sideways. Home Goods. I'll show you all the
Signs.
I'm actually like legit gonna buy this though because it's $15 and this is like so cute. Yeah.
Thought you knocked it off.
I don't like them. No, I like sunflowers better. I'm a sunflower girl. Yeah. That would be cute for our bathroom.
Yeah.
They're both $9. We need a cart. Oh boy.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
Is that
Jesus.
edit?
That's better.
I hope that's in there. She's gonna.
I'll keep it in there. Okay, so we just went to Starbucks because Colin and I were dragging and we needed coffee. So I got my usual grande cold brew. This woman said I was crazy because my order was so much. It's got sugar-free vanilla, 1 pump of skinny mocha, and almond milk. And Colin, what'd you get?
Got a caramel frappuccino.
But
Bye.
so I've always wanted to try the pink drink and the dragon drink. So we got 2 grandes and we're gonna try it. So here's the pink drink.
Yeah, it looks so
And here's
good.
the dragon drink. I saw this in so many videos and I just really want to try it. Should I? Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Pass it around. Oh, this one's good.
It tastes like strawberries.
Yeah. This one's sugary. I mean, it tastes sugary.
Ooh.
Do they have caffeine in them or just a ton of sugar?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, what's in this?
I don't know.
Is it healthy? I don't know.
Yeah, no.
This dragon drink is really good.
I'm guessing neither one are healthy.
I just wanted to try it.
And I'm sure there's
With no
loads
sugar.
of sugar.
I like this one
I
better.
think has like a hint of grapefruit.
Yeah, it tastes really good.
Grapefruit and mango, I think.
Yeah. What
Interesting.
makes it purple?
Dragon fruit.
What? Dragon fruit? Oh, dragon fruit. I thought you said dragon brew. I'm like, okay, Harry Potter.
What up? Alright, so we're going to a new gym.
We're testing it out.
Yeah, we're gonna see, and it might be like the place we're gonna go to whenever we move into our apartment. So we're kind of just going to see if we like it or not, and then seeing how we lift there and if we can film there and all kinds of good stuff. So it's like a test.
Yeah, and if we can wear like sports bras and stuff. I didn't even bring another shirt, so
pretty sure we definitely can.
Yeah, but if we can like film and stuff just for like work purposes. Also, my mom's with us. She's gonna test out this gym too, just because the gym that we go to now doesn't have that much equipment. Yeah. It's very little.
Well, I think also we're just like trying to find a new space.
Also, we are filming the letting the person in front of us decide what we eat for 24 hours challenge today. So you're actually gonna see that video before you guys see this video. If you haven't seen that video yet, make sure you go back and watch it, because these videos are literally hilarious. Not saying mine's gonna be hilarious, because I don't know, because I haven't edited it yet.
There's like multiple videos.
But like the past like 2 weeks, that's all I've been watching on YouTube is those videos. And I love watching like epic cheat day videos in general, because I think that they're so just like entertaining, and I like watching people eat food.
Bianca loves watching food.
I don't know why, but yeah, we're gonna do it today. Except I wanted to like switch it up, and everyone just goes through a drive-thru, but I wanted to like actually go into a sit-down restaurant and have to tell the waitress that, because I feel like that's like more face-to-face and awkward. Anyways, we'll let you know how this gym goes. We'll like kind of sneak a few shots. Well, hopefully we don't have to sneak, and they're just cool with us filming. I think we should just straight up be like, hey, so we filmed like our faces every day. And is that okay with you?
Ask them if they have a lump arm.
No. You won't catch me at that gym.
No.
Colin will walk in and breathe and my uncle arm will come off. Trying out the new gym? Colin's doing really good. But we're at Fitness Connection in Valentine. And we're just testing the waters. I still don't know what I like better.
It's different.
I don't like it. We just got to apartment number 1 of 3 that we're touring today. So I have like this little bow in the back of my hair from Free People. We're gonna tour 3. You guys comment down below which one out of the 3 you like the best. So this is number 1. After this we're going to number 2, and then later today we're going to number 3. We're just gonna record.
Oh, yeah, no, those are fine.
Ooh, white, yes.
White. We have, majority of the buildings have the white. We have 2 buildings that have gray. I don't know if that would make a difference.
She loves white.
I think honestly, seeing the gray versus, I prefer the white too. So it's white lighter. Yeah.
Is this cool too?
So this is actually an addition. A bunch of my residents have added these too. So you can add this if you'd like. I think it's perfect. But you guys in the 1 bedroom, you're gonna have a bigger space.
Big closet. This is the bathroom on one of the sides. Huge shower. Looks nice. The mirror, Cindy.
That's probably the coolest thing about the apartments. And the same for the bathrooms, they put them in there too.
Yeah. I love soft clothes. We just left location number 1 for the apartment tour. Now we're about to go tour number 2. I'm not gonna lie, we've only seen this one online, but this is the one that we thought that we like really wanted. Yeah. But we just left the other one and we kind of liked it. I don't know.
Really good too.
We'll have to do like a final comparison. Yes, at the end. But we were very surprised how much we liked that last one. Well, I barely looked at it too. I just knew about it. So we'll see this one.
I haven't been on a golf course in Lord knows how long.
I haven't. Yeah, same.
We have everybody. So say you. No, that's what they come with. So this is a little bit outdated. They're updating them. And so they So this one.
On our way to tour the 3rd and final apartment today. So, last one, and then we'll tell you guys what we think, and then you guys comment.
Going to dinner too.
Yep, and then you guys comment down below which one you like the best.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying best taste. Average deal I ever did, 5 hours.
Yes.
I had one guy, I kid you not, 9.5 hours.
Oh my God.
By the end, I was like, man, if I don't listen to 18, I'm going to run through the glass. might call.
Yeah.
Get something.
Ooh, this is a nice shower.
Is this the smallest of
This
them?
is the smallest of the three.
Okay.
This is the smallest of the three.
24. Like, where, I don't know what.
We're
road
at
you're on.
She tries to oncoming traffic. I'm like, no. So she like stops and hits the brakes and there's a car coming.
I would have cried.
That would scare me.
I love the way this is designed. Uh-huh.
Are all the units with this
I like the shower.
No bathtub?
No.
I love the
I mean, you don't see one, so.
So we just finished up apartment number 3. We do have a favorite. So we're actually moving in August, and the favorite that is our favorite, we asked them and they already know. They know exactly what we want. We want top floor.
yeah, they're gonna reach out to us in like July.
Or whenever the soonest one becomes available for us to sign for August. So they said from now until August, one will definitely become available for what we want. Then we just have to come and sign. So, and put a down payment. So we're like at the top of their list. They know to call us. So, yeah, one's just not available right now, which is fine because we can't move in anyway. So, yeah, the one that we picked, we love it. And comment down below which one you guys think we picked, and then when we end up moving in, we'll do the whole reveal and show you guys which one it was. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm going to end it here so I can get it uploaded for you guys as soon as possible. But make sure you hit that subscribe button, stick around so you can follow us on this journey of us moving and stuff. And pretty soon we're gonna be we'll be doing like budgeting videos and stuff pretty soon. But also I filmed the whole thing on my Instagram story of us touring the apartments. So if you're not already following me on there, you guys will get like a behind the scenes of us decorating and stuff on my Instagram story. So make sure you are followed for both. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and we will see you guys later.